Welcome. If you're looking to update your gender on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through each step to make this process quick and easy. First, make sure you have the Roblox app installed and updated on your PC. Once you're ready, open the Roblox app by double-clicking the icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. After the app loads, look for the More icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots or lines in the lower corner of your screen. Click on it to open up more options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account details and preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs, but what you want is Account Info. Click on Account Info to continue. Once you're in the Account Info section, scroll down until you find the Gender option. Roblox gives you the flexibility to update your gender as you see fit. Click on the Gender field, and you'll see a list of available options. Choose the one that best represents you. After you've selected your new gender, make sure to save your changes. Some updates may require you to click a Save button, while others might update automatically. Double-check that your new selection is displayed correctly before you exit the settings. That's it. You've successfully changed your gender on the Roblox app for PC using the latest update. This simple change helps personalize your experience and ensures your profile reflects who you are. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Have any questions or need help with another Roblox feature? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.